Guys, yung ating bread hindi naman pantay-pantay pero titingnan natin. This is my first time how to bake bread. Ito ay chicken, yung kanyang chicken and cheese inside. So, hindi pantay-pantay. Kasi trial lang ito guys kung successful, so it's good. Pero kung hindi naman, so doing better next time. Yes. O ganun naman talaga pag wala namang natuto sa first time, di ba? So ito yung ating bread, hindi pantay-pantay. Mayroong mahaba, mayroong iksi, mayroong mataba, mayroong payat. We will see the result later. Okay. Guys, ang ganda ng ating bread. So, lagyan natin ng lagyan natin ng butter on top to make it good. Ayan. So, we will see how good our bread today. I'm so excited. Ayan. So, it's so amazing. I think it's so yummy. This one, you will see. Kasi nung una na ginawa ko is palpak. Kasi overcook, over din yung ating tawag noon. Yung bang na-over din natin sa kasi sinunod ko naman sa sa video na panood ko. Sabi niya 2 hours daw. Na tawag niyan? Ipatubuin yung yung ating dough. So ginawa ko naman. So ang kalabasan is very hard. Pero nakain ko naman, pero not at all. Yung una is okay pa. Pag kinabukasan, hindi na siya maganda kasi sobrang na niya. Parang bato, kumbaga. Ayan. Ito yung ating bread for today. Hello guys. Ayan. Ito na yung ating bread. So, sorry. Kasi hindi natin maano yung ating camera. I'm so happy guys, kahit hindi ano ba tawag nito? Pantay-pantay yung ating pagkagawa ng bread, pero it's so perfect. At hindi ko na makaantay at biniyak ko na. Ayan. Hindi na ako makapag-antay at my God, I love it so much. Talagang nakagawa talaga ako. Sorry guys at hindi natin gawan ng video from the start kasi hindi ko pa alam kung paano gawin. Sorry. At yung aking eyeglasses. Kasi kaninang umaga may ginawa akong chicken. So, chicken thigh. So, para madami naman at naisip ko na mayroon tayong cheese. Pinaghihimay-himay ko yung chicken, nilagyan ng cheese at nilagyan ng mayonnaise. Pinaghalo-halo. So, gumawa ako ng dough. Ito, experiment ko naman tong dough na to. At ito ay perfect. Talagang perfect. At nag-research ako kung ilang degrees at ilang minutes pwede lulutuin yung bread. So, ayan. Nagawa natin at very perfect. 200 degrees and 40 minutes. Nagawa natin ng 40 minutes. In 40 minutes. Ayan. Oh my God. bukas nandito yung mga mga old folks. Ayan. At ito ay gusto nila yung ating grandma and grandpa dito bukas. So, talagang makakain nila ito. At ngayon, ito yung ating dinner. So, ayan guys, I'm so very happy. Happy talaga ako this time. Kasi, talagang perfect yung ating ginawa. Perfect na perfect talaga. So, at ako ay very happy at naging progress yung ating ginawa today. Naku, ayan, ito na naman, ayan. So, you see how it's so yummy, right? Oh, talaga lang. Thank you, Lord. At nakapag-luto ako ng ganito. Ayan. Talagang perfect na perfect. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you, Lord. At ako ay nagkaroon ng ganito. Alam nyo guys, it's a very long time ago. This is my dream, how to bake or make the bread in my own, At ngayon nagawa ko talaga. Oh, talaga lang. Super perfect. Yeah. So siguro sobrang lambot talaga guys, sobrang lambot. Ayan. Siguro next time damihan ko paglagay ng meat inside. Kasi mas masarap pag madaming meat sa loob. Ayan. Talagang busog na busog talaga ako. So guys, thank you so much. Ayan. Diba? Ito yung aking pagpapasalamat, nakabuo ako ng ganito. Talaga lang, I'm so happy talaga ako guys. At naging perfect yung ating bread. Talaga lang kung ano yung gusto nila, maybe medyo a little bit sweet or medyo matamis-tamis, siguro may dagdag na 1 teaspoon sugar kasi yung ating ating dough lang. Ito ginawa ko guys, ito ibigay ko na lang yung recipe. So in 1 glass, ayan, wait, in 1 glass, half of milk, half of warm water, 2 eggs, 3 cups of flour, just like this, 3 cup of flour, 1 I think my half, 1/4. This is 1 cup, mayroong half cup. This one is 1/4. 1/4 cup of oil. half teaspoon of salt. So ito yung ating ingredients. 2 eggs, 3 cups of flour, 1 sachet of yeast, dry yeast, and then milk, half warm cup, half glass, and half a glass of water, half teaspoon of salt, and that's all. So 2 eggs, oil, flour, milk, water, and salt. Yes, that's it. So ayan na guys, ito yung ating video for today. I'm so happy talaga guys, ano. So ayan, bago tayo mag-end, shout out to everybody. So ayan guys, naputol yung ating video. So I'm so thankful at tayo ay nakagawa. Very productive tayo today. Ayan. So I'm so very happy talaga at successful. So ayan, ilang ulit ko na sinabi na I'm so very happy. So before we end our video, gusto ko lang magpapasalamat sa laging sumusuporta ng ating video. Huwag kalimutan, sa hindi nakapaka-subscribe, please subscribe our video, our channel, I mean. So like and comment to our video. So thank you so much, especially shout out to Blanca of Serbia, Hassan, Philam Syrian Hassan, okay, Jing Vlog, Cecilia Vlog, ni Arnie, Bisdak, Family Vlog, Vilma Travel Vlog, Gina, Ginalyn Yayang Vlog, o Ginalyn Vlog is only one, and Davis Private Kids Vlog. So thank you so much guys, and muli sa next video gagawa naman tayo ng fully video sa ating bread, at may gagawin tayong panibago na naman. So ayan guys, thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Donna Rosa Vlog. Bye bye.